Hi garden friends, happy Wednesday. So today I'll be making a succulent arrangement in this pink planter, and it's about 4 or 6 inches wide. It's nice and shiny, it's ceramic. And I'll show you the plants that I have for it. So I have 2 of the lavender scallops. And check this out, you can see the outer leaves are nice and pink. And that center there is that minty green. So that contrast between the green and the pink makes this plant, I mean, gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. I am obsessed with lavender scallops for sure. I have 2 of those to add some height. I have Graptosedum or Graptosedum, and they're also called Ghosty plants, I believe, because they can get super pale. As you can see, you know, these outer leaves are super pale, and that center there is nice and pink. Maybe I can get it a little closer. It's starting to feel the elements. You know, it's cold and rainy here, so it really brings out those colors. I love it. Graptosedum. I have here a pink moonstone that I took out from another planter that's going downhill. So before I lose all of those succulents, I pluck some out, and this one was chosen for this arrangement. Nice and chubby. It's got a great root system there. And this is a Pachyphytum Oviferum pink moonstone. All right. And also, to add some more height to this arrangement, I have Portulacaria Afra. This is the variegated elephant bush, also known as rainbow bush. And you can see nice and creamy colors there. That light green with the cream. Beautiful. Another plant I'm obsessed with. And if it gets super stressed, the margins, I mean, you can't see them now, but the margins turn pink. Beautiful, beautiful plant. Oh, and I have here a baby Echeveria or Echeveria, however you want to call it. I'm not really sure. This is a Echeveria Morning Beauty. Or, no. Morning Beauty? I believe so. And if I'm wrong, I will figure it out and write it down on the description correctly. But this is a small one, and it's nice and blue right now, but they get nice and pink in the summertime. This is a little one, though. All right, and let's see. Ooh, Colorata. Beautiful, beautiful succulent. Look at those tips. OMG. Oh my gosh. I love it, I love it, I love it. Look how stressed those tips are. It almost looks like it's like sharp to the touch, but the tips are soft. And these get huge. And once they are like a certain size, they start to offset pups. Ooh, and something interesting that I have here. So I have this Lolita right here. This is an Echeveria Lolita. Beautiful, beautiful. And this is like, I only have like 3 of them. This is a baby one that I have. But something interesting about this plant, it's a hybrid. So it comes from 2 plants. And it comes from 2 super popular plants. And it's the PVN. So it comes from the PVN and from the Lola. So these 2 Echeverias made the Lolita. So let me put them all together here. Boom, look at the happy family. Okay, so these are the parents. This is the baby. And the Lolita, in like the winter time, has that pale color that you see in the Lola. And then in the summer, or maybe I have it backwards, it becomes super pink, like the PVN right here. So it has, you know, both beautiful characteristics from its parent, and it's this gorgeous powerhouse succulent, Echeveria Lolita. Oh my goodness. If you ever see a Lolita in your nurseries, in your, you know, garden center, snatch it up. And I think that I've gone through all of the succulents here, so I'm going to fill my planter with some succulent soil, some fluffy soil here, and I will fill my planter all the way to the top with it. And I'm not really sure where they're all gonna go. I kind of just had that little bug this morning, and I said I'm gonna make a succulent arrangement, and I just started to pick out all these pink beautiful ones, because you know the winter color, the winter really brings out the beautiful colors in these plants. Winter and summer seem to really bring out the colors. Okay, so for sure I'll start with the lavender scallops, and I'll put those right over here towards the back because they're tall and they're just going to become taller. So I'm going to put them towards the back here. Okay, my soil is nice and fluffy. So just like that. And I'll put the Afras right next to the lavender scallops. So let's see. I'll take the taller ones towards the back, do the shorter ones towards the front, and I'll kind of cluster them up like I want them to look. Put them over here. Alright, making sure that all those roots are in the soil there. Oh, perfect. Okay, this is working out good. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, and now I'll go for the bigger one. And I'm going to do the Lolita right here in the center. And I'm going to put a little bit more soil. There we go. Okay, and I'm going to stick this one right in the center here. Okay, right there, just like that. Beautiful. I'll do the Graptosedum over here on this side because I know that this one will get nice and tall. So it'll probably trail over. So I want it to trail over, you know, towards the back on the side, right over here. Because if it's in the front, it'll look kind of weird. Still look cool, but kind of weird. So I just try to balance them out depending on how they grow. You know, that is also important to know. Okay, so now that I have this one here, probably do the pink moonstone right over here. Or maybe I should balance out the color and put the Lola. Yeah, I'll put Lola here, right next to Lolita. Okay, perfect, right there. And I'm not sure if I'll be able to fit all of them. I have 4 more, so let's see what I'll do. For sure, I want the Colorata. And the Colorata, I'll put her right here. Right there. Okay, beautiful. It's coming out nice. And I'll go for PVN in the middle. Maybe something. I'll go for the Morning Beauty. Echeveria here. And I think that I'll be able to fit these two. So I'll go for the Moonstone right by the Graptosedum. And I'll add a little more soil to this little hole here. Okay, and I'll add the PVN. Right in there, I'll tuck it in. Ooh, beautiful. Oh, this looks so pretty. Oh my goodness. I love it. Okay, so I'm going to try to clean some of that soil from their centers there because everything's kind of wet. You know, it did rain a few days ago here and everything is still pretty wet. So, you know, the soil is sticking to them. Oh, right. Oh, that's beautiful. And you know what? I don't think I'll put the stones in this one. Or maybe I will. So I will be putting some stones in this planter, and I'll start from the back here because there is a lot of soil that I can still see. So I will put the stones in, and it's my favorite part, I have to admit. So here we go. So I'm going to tuck some here and there. It is a gorgeous day. It's the morning here. It's Wednesday, and it's still like crispy outside. It's like 55 degrees right now, but the sun is coming out, and there's not a cloud in the sky. It's nice and blue, so it's going to be a gorgeous day. And right after I finish this, I'll be taking my puppy with another puppy because I'm dog sitting. For 2 weeks, I'm dog sitting my neighbor's corgis. She has 2. Their names are Rain and Peekaboo. So cute, right? And Rain is like he's like 2.5 years old. And Peekaboo, we call her Boo. Boo is like 12. Yeah, she's still going strong though. And their parents are off taking a vacation, and I'm lucky enough to be able to take care of them. They're great dogs. We've lived by each other for a while now, so we know each other very well. They trust me. Let's see, I'm gonna get my knitting needle here, and I'm gonna try and lift this little Lolita up so I can tuck some stones in there. There we go. Looking good, looking good. That one right there. And some behind this Colorata right here. Let me tuck them in, tuck them in. Okay. And I see a little hole here where I can fit another stone there. So I'm excited about our little hike. Because, you know, it's usually just Luva and me. But I'll have more company today. And my better half is even going to join me. So that's good. It's a good Wednesday for sure. Oh, that is so pretty. I like it. I like it. If you're still watching, what do you think? Do you think it came out nice? I just wish you could respond. But no. I hope you like it though. This was a fun video. Very fun video. Oh man. And let me get a paper towel here because the brush that I normally use, a little sweepy brush, it went to poop now. It's not working anymore. I have to buy myself another brush. Alright, so paper towel works just as fine. There we go. Beautiful. Oh my gosh, look at it. It's so pretty. And I'll kind of lift it up so you can see it better. Check it out. Now give it a little turn. So it's mostly all pink succulents here with the cream and the greens. Oh. Ooh. So beautiful. This was a good idea for me to come out and do this. I feel even better now. Well, I hope that you enjoyed this video just as much as I did. And until the next planting, bye friends.